working Mithamar Health Center?
Yeah. But sometime a different place, no?
Why different?
Yeah.
Oh.
See rolling in a place of Misaimer, no?
Before working, how much
Bef-
you are?
Hmm?
Before working at the main hospital, general hospital.
No, before this working stayed there in Misaimer, no? But then all other people is go already. That's why they all make reshuffle now.
Okay.
Not steady in Misaimer there. Sometime they're in.
Your wife is nurse?
Hmm?
Which profession?
Net
Yes, sir.
salary.
No, profession.
Promotion.
Profession.
The work. Ultrasound.
Nurse, huh?
Yeah.
Nurse?
X-ray, ultrasound.
X-ray.
Yeah.
Okay. Ultrasound scan.
My daughter is nurse.
Nurse, huh?
Yeah,
Your daughter
my wife
working?
is ultrasound X-ray tech.
Your daughter also working now?
No,
Not?
that's why they working business na. Before he working, but he going in Preston schooling. And then he stop. He resigned in Hamad before.
Hamad,
Yeah, he's
But
very.
Hamad is good salary.
Yeah,
Right?
he good salary before na. But
why
he resigned because they asking they want to going to UK study in
UK?
yeah study in doctor medicine.
BSc nursing, yeah?
Yeah.
Before 15,000 salary or
Yeah, more than.
more than 15, better now before. Now business okay, no?
The business is same not big same like you working na. You know already business is business income only good. Also you take also new product stock like same like that na. Not same like if you work you have your own no.
Yes.
But if business is same rolling no. You take big sometimes small then you buy again new stock same like that. Nice business.
Before work better.
Yeah, before my
daughter-
daughter is very nice. She worked there in hotel Hamad.
8 hour work.
Yeah, 8 hours.
All free. Huh?
And then he can stay
Per
in
day
hotel.
working.
Yeah, they can stay hotel and they have free all allowance and food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
But this before she resigned because they want to go to my wife and
study
my
UK, huh?
and UK. But they stop. They coming back here because Thomas also there, no? Thomas money there.
Now again, you try to there in Hamad.
Yeah, I don't. But my wife and my daughter, they planning. I don't know. They want to come back there in UK.
Then
And maybe this here business partner here will be the one to handle the business.
HBH Almulla and Sons Resort Rado.
Traffic. This slow moving. It's better far but continuous running, no?
Yeah.
But here near, but seem like
traffic.
you're walking like a turtle.
Every time traffic.
Yeah, you're driving like a turtle hill.
Yeah.
Very slow.
You are driving in Filipino?
Yeah, I have that drive license also.
You
But
have car there, huh?
Yeah, I have. How many years I did not renew now? Maybe they have penalty or big. Every years, no, they have penalty, no.
Yes.
Once you did not renew every year. My driver license, I have a driver 1, 2, 3, 4, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 means you can drive motor, jeep, car, big car, bus.
Always.
Yeah. Except of trucking, no.
You have car?
Yeah,
You have car?
Yeah, Innova.
Which car?
Innova.
Innova?
Yeah.
Toyota?
Yeah. Navara. But Toyota Innova is only manual because if automatic too much eating petrol, no? So I select before I buying only manual.
Manual.
Yeah. Good driver, they are good in pedal. That's some good driver in manual, no?
Yeah.
Other driver, come to manual did not know because automatic only, no? It's better your driver first manual first, then automatic, no? Because
Yeah.
especially ladies, did not know how manual, only all automatic.